Alright, hello everyone. This is Mano from Monkey Games. So it seems my brother watched my tutorial and he said it was the worst tutorial on the internet. So I decided to make this one step by step for beginners to follow along. So in ZBrush, the first thing you will see is this screen. Okay, this is the light box. Click on it, it will disappear, or click back. Okay, it will come back again, or press the comma key. So this is your shortcut for the light box. The light box is awesome. Anyway, to start in ZBrush to sculpt something, anything you want, you have several options. My approach, I start with Dynamesh sphere, but I'm gonna show you different styles. So if you are a beginner, you can use a pre-made tool. Okay, so let's male average, choose this one, press comma, click and drag, and you will find it. So we don't need this base. Okay, just delete it. Go to subtool, delete, always okay until the next restart. Yes, baby, delete. Okay, so here we have G's. So if that happened, press Ctrl N and it will give you a new canvas. So click and drag, okay, while pressing shift, then click T, okay, and this will give you the edit mode. Now you are in the edit mode. All right, so here we have our reference, and you can start making your model from here. So the brushes I made, I already assigned shortcuts in the previous tutorial, but I will do it again. So I made 0 for the move, 1 for the standard, 2 for the clay tubes, 3 for the clay buildup, 4 for the dam standard, and 5 for the inflate, 6 for the H polish. So these are the main tools you need to start with, the main brushes, I'm sorry. So how to assign the shortcuts? Press Ctrl Shift and click on your, I'm sorry, not Ctrl Shift, Ctrl Alt, okay, press on the tool you want, like this. So press any key to assign custom hotkey or something. So press the number you want, then I will press escape because I already have my shortcuts. Then to save them, you have to go to preferences, hotkeys, store my hotkeys. All right, so with this out of the way, okay, let's start sculpting. So this model is a low resolution. Okay, press X for the symmetry. Okay, and you can start doing whatever you want with this model. Whatever. All right. That looks really ugly. Press space to control your draw size, your focal shift, and the intensity. The focal shift, okay, controls this the circle inside your brush. The intensity, how strong your brush is, and the size, it's obvious, big, small. All right, so if you need to go further to sculpt more details into this model, okay, you need more resolution, so you have to subdivide it. Click Ctrl D, okay, and it will be subdivided smoother. If it's not enough, okay, press Ctrl D again. So if you go to geometry, okay, now we are at subdivision number 3 because I click Ctrl D twice. Okay, but you could control it from here. 1, 2, and 3. The shortcut Shift D or Ctrl D to subdivide it again. But if you want to go up, press only D. But if you want to subdivide again, Ctrl D. Okay, Shift D. Let's go down. Okay, or let's work on the subdivision 4. So D, D. And start making the details for this model. All right. So make your draw size smaller. Give him a bigger jaw. All right. Frown, whatever you want, you can do from here. So this is the simplest way to start with ZBrush. Sometimes, so let me show you another way. So Control N, no, boy, Control N. All right, go to Documents and press New Document, and it will remove the disaster we just made. And the disaster comes back. Go away. Control N. All right. So open the lightbox again. Go to recent. No. Project. And choose Z-sphere. Project has been changed. Would you like to save changes? No. So now we have the Z-sphere. The Z-sphere is very handy. Right. So let's start playing with it. Now we are on the draw mode. So you draw mode. So you can click and drag and draw more spheres on your Z-sphere. But we don't want to do that first. So let's start as this sphere as the hip. Okay, draw 2 legs, press W to go to move and move it. Okay, go back to your draw, or wait a moment, we still need move, and drag this one up. So here we have the thighs. Let's push them like this. Let's make a gorilla or something. Then go back, press Q, draw another spheres, then move them, W, W, all right. Then let's go back to make the torso, Q, draw mode, W, move it. Now we have to make the chest piece, we have to make it bigger, so scale is E, make it bigger. All right, now we have to make the shoulders. Go back to the draw mode. I just click tab to remove if you want to see your model without interruptions. All right, so shoulders, draw mode, shoulders here, move them the way you like. Go back to draw mode, arms, W. You could always, when you click outside the model to navigate around the model, press Shift, and it will give you the side view, front view accurately. All right, so draw mode, Q, W, and now this one is big, so let's scale it down a little bit and press E. All right, now let's make the neck, Q, little bit, then the head, and let's move it up, draw, move, move. All right, and that's it. Now here we have this, the basic shape or the basic anatomy for this creature. Okay, what you need to do is press A, and it will give you adaptive skin. This one is only a review, so if you go to press A again, you will go back to your Z-spheres and adjust your model the way you like it. So you could go back and make the shoulder down a little bit, then press A again. Okay, now we need to start sculpting. So what I do, I go to my clay buildup, okay, and I start sculpting. All right. All right. So from here, if we press A, it will ask you, would you like to store the modified preview mesh as a new polysphere? Yes, of course. So now you have your Z-sphere model and the adaptive skin. So click on the adaptive skin, and from here you could do wherever you want. Click and turn on symmetry first. Clay tubes, dig in, clay build up, eye sockets, nose, cheekbones, jaw, let's make the ears. So make a selection, inverted, make a selection, wait a moment, let me tell you this one. So click Control, it will give you, it will change the brush color to yellow, and draw your mask, ear shape. Okay, then click Control and then click outside your model. It will invert your mask. Now here you have two options. My way of extruding this area, I'll take the move brush, make the size bigger, and click Alt, and it will extrude your ears. Then let's go to the move. All right. Then go back to your sculpting mode. All right, so basically that's it for ZBrush for beginners. This is all you need to know. In the next tutorial, before I talk about the next tutorial, if you need more resolution or this resolution was too much, go to Dynamesh, choose the resolution you want. So let's say we want 64. 64. Okay, do something, change your geometry a little bit, then click and drag outside your model, and it will give you lower geometry. If you want to make it higher, like not 1000, Jesus Christ, this, no, 128, press enter, change your model a little bit, click and drag, and now you have higher resolution. All right, so that's it. ZBrush for beginners. So in the next tutorial, I will these I will continue building my game character, and I will start making the hair in ZBrush. So insert tool brush or insert mesh. Anyway, after that I finish that video, I will take my model to Marvelous Designer and make the suits, the space suit for my model. All right, so guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Take care and have must. I'm sorry. Take care and have fun. This is Mano signing out. Peace. Bye bye.